Are you done yet? Are you done being beaten down by life? Are you done having a crummy job, a crummy commute, crummy bosses, and crummy situations, and even worse, a crummy bank account? See, I know about that because that's how I felt this past year. Yes, I was able to leave my job behind, but even in entrepreneurship, it can be hard. Even in entrepreneurship, you can experience parts where you feel like there's no hope. You feel like it's endless. Endless amounts of phone calls, endless amounts of hours, endless amounts of outreach, bugging family and friends. I was frustrated just like that, and I wanted to find a way to make an income from home. And trust me, I get it. It's difficult, it's hard, it's confusing, and that's exactly how I felt in 2023 at the start of this year. But I happened upon a light, I happened upon a process, I happened upon freedom, and I was able to get this proven process that I can not only learn to help my business be able to automate that business, no longer have to reach out to family and friends, have more time with my family, and more peace in my heart, that I don't have a commute anymore, that no matter rain, sleet, or snow, I don't have to go out there and brave the elements because I'm disabled, going out there to fight with traffic, go out there to fight people that don't even want you to be there anyways, people that will treat you just like a number, that God forbid you are sick tomorrow, they won't even blink twice. If you want to be able to have something that you can build for yourself, that you will be in business with a community to support you, that want to see you win, if you want that in your life and you want change in your life and you want the time and the income freedom to be able to go out there and change your family tree, type right in the comments right now, and I'd love to share it with you.